How's it going, guys? So today, as you seen from the title, we have something very interesting to go and talk about. So with that said, I'm not gonna waste your time. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight into the laptop. The first thing is the Billion Network. 100k reward have been distributed if you finish on the top 100 of the Billions leaderboard campaign. You should receive it, so make sure to go and check it out. Come here, log in, do all of the things, and see whether or not you have been participating, whether or not you have received it. And it is simple as that. So it should already be in your wallet. You don't even need to click anything. Just simply go and check if you did receive any allocation whatsoever in terms of the amount of money. Now, I never used Billions, so let me know if you did down below, but we got ambassador, agents, etc. I never actually use it, so let me know down in comments below. What is going well, guys, is over on Breakout, which you can join. The link will be down below. Use my code for a discount. As we see here, we are in profit of 6,600 USD. So make sure to go, guys, and trade with me over on Breakout. And how am I able to go and do this? Well, to go and showcase you, this is account. We close it. Look at the number here, 69k. Close the high position, and it is closed. Now we made 6.6k. How was I able to do it? Well, I simply went and bought myself a 50k funded account. I believe I took the $400 one, not the 280, but go and pick whichever one you want. The link will be down below. Use my code as well, and you will get yourself a discount. And basically, I spent $280. I got to keep 80% of the profit that you make. It is a one-time fee, and I grew it to, as we see here, I grew it to 69,000. So as you see, for $400 that I have spent, but you can also spend 280 or 180 or even less, like you got 25k account, 10k account, 5k account. It is completely up to you. I have done 6.6 just right now with you. So I spent 400 and I make 6.6. That is why I trade on Breakout more than other platforms. Why? Because it is a platform. You simply pay for an account, you make money, you keep 80% of the profit, and you are good to go. It is amazing. And what am I gonna do right now? I do think that Hype, it is a absolutely great one, but I will want to go and short over on Ethereum. There is just something, and I'm no financial advisor, do not copy me. I do think, however, over on Ethereum, we will go on a 75% as we see here. I will want to sell it, and here we have it. So we are selling, we are shorting Ethereum, and we will see later how it goes. But the link down below, come and join me, come and participate with me. Do not copy my trade. I'm no financial advisor. This is just what I do. Talking about what you see from the title, yes, Metamask 10-year anniversary card, you can go and pick up yours. I am at level 80, let me know your level down below. And talking about the Metamask Airdrop, could this be something interesting? Well, in my opinion, this card represents how much you've been active. It represents how much Ethereum you spent in gas fees. It represents basically what you've given to Metamask in order to keep on going, how many years, how many transactions, what everything. This could be an allocation distribution, and we did talk about it back in the past, the level or something like that, that it could have been 5 years of the wallet. I think this one, when the MetaMask airdrop will come, which is gonna come in the next bull run, I believe, because now it's everything a little bit but I think it's gonna come. This one could potentially be your situation for the airdrop, which it is really important. And as we see here, level 80 for myself, let me know your level down below. Now you can save it, you can finish, you can do whatever you want, you can insert it, you can also connect your wallet to the website or not, or simply watch your your wallet, simply copy and paste it. And yeah, so you can stay up to date to the latest Metamask, you can get the emails and all of that. And I think this one is really important, so make sure to understand it, keep it there, be ready for it, because I do believe that the airdrop, it is going to come really soon. Next up, we also have the Jupiter ASR Q2 rewards are now live. They keep on distributing the points. I got 547 Jupiter token that I can go and claim right now. Click over here to claim, log in to your Phantom wallet, which by now this is not gonna be much, but it is about, I would say, $100 if I need to say something. So we simply go and connect the wallet just like this, and we are good to go. You do the transaction, you confirm it, and here you have received it. Now, where do you go? This one over here, they go directly to the stake one that you have. So yeah, it's simple there. Then you can go and pick and look at other campaigns that they've got going on, but the link will be down below. Make sure to check it, make sure to grab it, and it is all yours. So with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.